Today, I'll show you how to make a background transparent in Canva, a feature that instantly makes your designs more professional and versatile. Start by opening Canva and selecting the design you want to edit. Once your project is open, head to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the drop-down, choose Download. Here's the key part. Under the download settings, you'll see an option called Transparent Background. Simply tick that box. This ensures your design won't have any solid background color. It will seamlessly blend into any surface you place it on. Make sure your file type is set to PNG, since that's the format that supports transparency. After that, just hit download and Canva will prepare your file. And that's it. You've got a design with no background. This is especially useful for logos, social media graphics, or any creative project where you want flexibility to overlay your design on different colors or images. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked one of Canva's most powerful features, giving your work a polished and professional